EPAWA meteorologist Bobby Marchich here with your outlook for January 20th, 2022. Today's video forecast is sponsored by North Penn Car Wash in Lansdale, Montgomery County, Pennsylvania. You can join the unlimited car wash starting at just $13.95 per month. It's the only place where weather doesn't matter, and you can wash your car or truck as often as you like during a calendar month for one low monthly fee, which is really good this time of year because it's been snowing like every 3 or 4 days. And as soon as you get your car washed from all the road salt, all the slush and everything else that gets kicked up while you're driving onto your vehicle, it gets dirty all over again, and you wasted your money. Well, in this case, you can just pay one low monthly rate, and you can wash your car as often as you like during the calendar month for one low monthly rate. So that's a great deal. And of course, you can take advantage of that at North Penn Car Wash at 986 Sumneytown Pike in Lansdale, Montgomery County, Pennsylvania. Proud sponsors of the Thursday forecast video. So today we have snow again this morning, okay? And this is rain changing to snow farther southeast. Starting this off at 7 a.m. on the high resolution rapid refresh. I'm using this because this seems to have a better handle on the evolution of this as we were going through this evening, okay? The NAM has been consistently a little off on what the radar depiction showed. So since this has been a little bit closer, we chose to use this for the video. And you should, at 7 a.m., still see some light snow in the interior. Just light snow, though. You see this area right in here where the rain and snow meet. Right in here, there's a really dark area in there. That is a burst of snow once it changes over from rain. This is all, by the way, moving off to the south and east. So you get that burst of snow following the initial rain. And the rain, of course, in this image is in this the yellows and the greens down here. So that's where the rain is. But this is all moving down to the south and east. Temperatures are falling, and you will have that changeover right along the I-95 corridor sometime between 6 and 8 a.m. this morning, so from northwest to southeast. So you'll have that changeover. It's just going to take a little more time. But in the interior, we are still experiencing light snow, and that actually happened, if I back this up a little bit, actually started occurring several hours before that. So they've had several hours of light snow in the interior. And that's why we have this 1 to 3 inch area right in these areas right here. Okay, so we don't think that that should be too hard to get, at least the 1 inch part. But it will cause, obviously, some travel disruptions this morning and some delays of schools in some places. And this will continue to change over all the way down to the coast. And this is out of here between 12 and 2 on Thursday. Okay, so that's off the coast and out of here. After this, everybody's asking about the weekend storm. What's going on with that? Well, weekend storm is now messed up because of this. This wave kind of stole the energy for what's behind it, in a sense, because now it renders the heights flatter behind it. These are these height lines, the blue and the red lines here. The heights are now lowered, so this is going to be a more progressive system. And really doesn't even develop. It does a little bit right here. Doesn't even develop until this gets offshore into an actual low, which is right here. It does come close enough here on the European model, which I'm showing you, to graze South Jersey and Delaware with a little bit of light stuff. Not much, but a little bit. Okay, so we're going to continue to watch these areas only. Southeast of I-95, probably closer to the coast, southern two-thirds of Delaware, and coastal southern New Jersey for perhaps some graze impacts here Friday night. Okay, that's where it would be, Friday night. All right, and maybe going into very early Saturday morning, and then this thing pulls away, and that's it. Is there a chance this thing can come up further northwest and nail people further northwest in the interior? Nothing's impossible, but I highly doubt it. Highly doubt it. Very strongly against that idea now. I think this just continues off in this manner here. We're just going to watch those South Jersey and southern two-thirds of Delaware regions, eastern shore of Maryland, to get a quick couple of inches of snow down there in some spots. So we're going to watch that. Of course, that's Friday night and Saturday morning if that will occur. And after that, well, besides that, elsewhere in the interior, you're going to have the sun come out here on Saturday. And you're going to have temperatures that are going to be cold both Friday and Saturday in the lower 20s. You can see this is tomorrow. This is mostly sunny on Friday. 18 in the interior to 26 in Philadelphia. And it doesn't get much better here for Saturday. Maybe a couple degrees warmer than this, but you're still below 30 about everywhere in our region. And most areas are stuck in the middle 20s. So that's your Saturday. Sunday, we're going to move up to freezing a little bit. That's going to be a little bit better, I guess. And then we're going to have to watch a series of waves after that point. There's one diving down here that probably falls apart later Sunday night, and there should be nothing with that. We then have to watch the Tuesday night, Wednesday time frame. And this is being handled differently depending on what model you're looking at. GFS is not enthused. GFS has been doing very well this winter. So the GFS is not enthused. I wouldn't go too high in the percentages and expectations for that Tuesday night, Wednesday time frame. However, we have the European model showing at least some snow showers with this. And this is looking at later Tuesday night, maybe into Wednesday morning. Okay, the Canadian earlier today showed something similar, and actually had it a little more ramped up on Wednesday. So it's something we have to monitor. That's the next little signal that we have to pay attention to, but there is something there, and there may be some, again, towards the end of the month and the beginning of February. So there's still other ones in the pipeline, and still some signals there. And, this is the system here on the weekend, by the way, this one that's missing. This is a storm signal we had in our long range for a while. It's still here. This is still a signal. The signal worked out. It just didn't. It's not going to end up hitting the majority of the area. Maybe southeastern areas, and that's it. For something that you're looking at from a month lead time and saying, okay, well, we have a signal here. Something could happen. Well, there it is. It's still materialized. It just wasn't exactly what most of you that are snow lovers wanted to see as the final outcome. But there's other opportunities down the road, and we'll continue to follow them here in the week ahead, and it still should remain very cold for the next, what's today? Today's the 20th, so we're looking at least through the end of this month that we're below average for the most part, and then we might get back to just slightly below average instead of below average with these big, brutal shots that come in every once in a while once we get past, get the very tail end of this month and maybe going into the first half of February. I'm EPAWA meteorologist Bobby Marchus. That is your outlook for January 20th, 2022. Have a great Thursday.